sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install the KLA track, which is basically a piece of software to track satellites. So we need to install the software, plus we need to install Java. So we need to have 1.8 or later, and we can download the Linux tar for the Raspberry Pi. So I'm just going to right click, copy link address, because we're just going to do a wget, so we don't have to download the image and put it on the Pi or anything, since I'm just SSH'd into it. So we're just going to do a wget, and if you don't have that installed, you could just make sure we have it. And we can go ahead and install it. Alright, so now we can go ahead and copy paste the link. Then we can just do a tar command, the tar command. So then we can just hit enter, and there we go. So now the Java, which is pretty simple, we can just run the following command, and we're going to let this install, and we'll be back. Alright, so that's installed. So we need to run this from the terminal on the desktop. So we'll just cd into the directory, and if we do an ls, we have a couple things here. We're going to run this guy right here. So we'll just type in /KLA track. And now it's going to come up and tell you that where the data will be stored. Now it's downloading the GPS updates. And here we go. So it doesn't look like much, but this is it. Now if we go to settings, the little gear there, we can change some things around, put in your lat and long. We have some information down here. We can change it to the dark theme. So if we stop this and run it again. Alright, so there we go. Now if we click on the settings again, like I said, we can update the lat and long. We can add and remove satellites. So a lot of people like the NOAAs, so we can save that. Well, we got to enter a lat and long first, but if we enter that in, we can be able to pull up more. Change the font size, obviously the theme. Got a couple other options here. And like I said, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple program here. And as you can see, we can change the past here and the future and the update. And obviously once you get your lat long set up, this will be a little bit better. So anyway, I'll throw a link in the description for the command, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one.